Hi, good evening, everybody. Today we are going to discuss the NLP project part A, IMDB movie review sentiment analysis. The problem statement is to build a machine learning classification model that can predict the sentiment of IMDB movie reviews. For this, first of all, we have to import all the given data into Google Colab. After importing the data, we have to import all the necessary libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, sklearn, model selection, feature extraction, linear model, everything we have to import. And after that, we have to go through the data, how the data has been distributed, what are all the rows and what are all the columns, in which column which type of data has been given. We have to analyze all this for better model or for better understanding of the data so that we can build a better model. And after that, after analyzing the textual data, we have to analyze the graphical representation of the data, like review length distribution and word length distribution, how the words has been distributed, what are the length of the words and what are the length of the reviews. And after that, distribution of sentiment, how that sentiments has been distributed, how many positives are there, how many negatives are there. And after that, we have to do pre-processing of the data. In this, we have to lowercase the given data first thing, and next thing is we have to remove all the errors or like noise data like HTML tags, punctuations, etc. And after this, we have to tokenize the data. After tokenization, we have to do lemmatization of the data. This is what all about the pre-processing of the data. And after that, I used feature engineering technique to improve the efficiency of the code or efficiency of the given model or developing model. And after that, I chose a logistic regression model which can predict the given movie review either positive or negative. For this, first of all, we have to do TF IDF vectorization. After that, I use 80% of the data for training purpose and 20% of the data for cleaning purpose. After training and testing, we have to evaluate the given model or developed model. We have to choose accuracy, standard matrices like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix, and classification report. For this logistic regression model, the accuracy is around 89%, which is very good model. And after that, I've written a code which can predict the movie review either as positive or negative. Here we can see I given the animations in the movie work very well. For this, the model given positive response. And after that, logistic regression model, I use Navi bias model to develop. And the code is almost the same in all the models with minute differences. And for this Navi bias model, the accuracy is 0.85%. And this is a graph of confusion matrices. How many true positives are there and how many true negatives are there. And after that, I use a support vector model machine, which is most powerful model. For this, the accuracy is almost same as logistic regression model. 90% accuracy is there. And after that, I used random forest model. And the accuracy of random forest model is 0.85, which means 85%. After at last, I used neural network LSTM. The accuracy of this model is 87%, which is very good. And after that, I written a code which finds the top 20 keywords based on TF-IDF score. These are all the words which is based on TF-IDF score. And after that, I created a simple dashboard which shows the difference between all the models like logistic regression, Navi bias, SVM model, random forest, LSTM, and this is score. And this is the difference between all the model, the logistic regression and LVSVM support vector machine are almost giving the same prediction accuracy and F1 score. And these are all the 20 words which have average TF-IDF score better. And after that, this is the final report of the given project overview, problem statement, and data description of the project, and data exploration, pre-processing like analyzation and tokenization, and normalizing the data, and feature engineering. After that, model development. After that, model evaluation. This table gives the difference between accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score of different models. And after that, insights and interpretation of the data or project. And the conclusion is like pre-processing of the text data was thoroughly handled and sentiment and the model worked very well. Thank you.